In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Copilot search to read local files. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that your system is ready to go. The Windows Copilot feature is integrated into many of the recent versions of Windows, so if you've updated your operating system, you should have access to it. To start off, we need to open Windows Copilot. You can do this in a couple of different ways. One of the easiest methods is to find the Copilot icon on your taskbar, which should be located at the bottom of your screen. Just give it a click, and that will bring up the Copilot interface. If for some reason you don't see it on your taskbar, don't worry. You can also use the Windows search bar. Just move your cursor down to the search area, type in Copilot, and hit enter. You'll see it pop up shortly. Once you have Copilot open, you'll want to look for your profile settings. In the bottom left corner of the Copilot window, you should see your profile icon or avatar. Go ahead and click on that. It's a small but important step, as this is where you'll find access to your specific settings for Copilot. After you click on your profile icon, a menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll be looking for the Settings option. Click on that, and you'll open up a new settings window dedicated to Copilot. These settings allow you to customize different aspects of how Copilot interacts with your system. Now, we need to find the section related to file access, which is crucial for enabling or disabling how Copilot reads your local files. Within the Settings menu, there should be a section titled Data Access or something similar that includes file access. Keep an eye out for that. It's usually listed among other options, so a little scrolling might be involved. In this File Access section, you'll find a toggle switch. This is what you're looking for. If you'd like to let Copilot access your local files, meaning it can search, read, and summarize any documents you have stored on your device, you'll want to toggle this setting on/in. It's pretty straightforward. Just click the switch until it's in the on position. However, on the opposite end, if you value your privacy and prefer that Copilot not have access to your local files, you'll toggle it off/. This restricts Copilot from digging into your documents, keeping your information safe and sound. Once you've made your choice, simply close the settings window and Copilot will save your selection automatically. There's no need to hit a save button. And there you go. You've now successfully enabled or disabled Copilot's access to read your local files. It's a really handy feature that can enhance your productivity, especially when you're looking for quick summaries or information retrieval from your documents. On the flip side, if privacy is a concern for you, it's just as easy to turn that feature off whenever you need. Thanks for following along. If you encountered any issues or have any questions while trying this out, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. And if you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to give the video